Behind the scenes of global finance, a quiet force shapes the economy. Asset managers oversee vast amounts of wealth, influencing markets significantly. Index funds, in particular, have become a dominant investment vehicle lately. These funds track market indices, like the S&P 500, automatically. Individual investors rely on these funds for retirement savings and stability. A typical investor may not realize the impact of their investment choices. Voting power, concentrated in the hands of a few asset managers, is substantial. This concentration of ownership can lead to unexpected market movements. From a quiet home office, an individual plans their financial future carefully. Using a calculator and notebook, they balance their budget and investments. Automatic savings apps and investment charts help guide their decisions. Yet, the ultimate control of their investments may lie with a handful of companies. Index funds have become a popular investment option for many individuals. By pooling money from various investors, they provide diversified portfolios. These funds track specific market indexes, like the S&P 500. Consequently, a significant portion of the market's ownership is concentrated. Asset managers, such as BlackRock and Vanguard, oversee these funds. They exercise substantial voting power in the companies they invest in. This concentrated ownership raises questions about control and influence. Some analysts argue that this level of ownership concentration is unprecedented. Others see it as a natural result of the growing investment industry. Automatic investment apps often default to index funds, further increasing their reach. The implications of this ownership structure are still being analyzed and debated. Understanding the role of asset managers is crucial to grasping the global economy's complexities. Asset managers wield significant voting power in corporate decisions daily. Through index funds, they own substantial portions of various companies worldwide. Voting power enables them to influence company strategies and policies indirectly. Index funds have become a dominant force in the global investment landscape slowly. By pooling investments, asset managers can exert control over corporate boards quietly. The concentration of ownership raises questions about accountability and transparency always. Behind the scenes, asset managers shape the direction of companies they invest in. Retirement savings and personal investments often rely on these asset managers unknowingly. Automatic savings apps and investment charts can obscure the underlying ownership structures. Calculators and notebooks are used to plan finances, unaware of the complex web. Home offices and financial planning desks are where individual investment decisions are made. Understanding the role of asset managers is crucial to navigating the complex economy. Asset managers hold significant voting power in global markets today. Index funds have become a major force in ownership concentration worldwide. Individual investment decisions are influenced by these managers' strategies. Retirement savings and automatic investments are often managed by them. A quiet home office is where many people make financial planning decisions. Calculators and notebooks are used to balance budgets and track expenses. Stock charts and bank statements reveal the complexity of investments. Behind the scenes, asset managers shape the global economy's direction. Ownership concentration raises questions about control and influence. Analysis suggests that a few large companies have substantial ownership stakes. Voting power and decision-making authority are concentrated in their hands. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for navigating the complex economy. As individuals, we must consider the impact on our personal finances. Concentrated ownership can affect investment returns and retirement savings. Index funds, in particular, play a significant role in this trend. By investing in these funds, we may be unintentionally supporting concentrated ownership. Our retirement plans and automatic savings apps are also connected. Understanding the companies behind our investments is crucial now. Voting power and decision-making authority are key factors to consider. A closer look at investment charts and bank statements is necessary. Calculators and notebooks can help track our budget and expenses. Quietly, in our home offices, we must reassess our financial strategies. Analyzing the fine print of retirement paperwork is also essential. Ultimately, being informed is the first step towards navigating this complex system. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.